Hi. Today we're going to tell you about Google Evasive Ad Content Suspension. Let's get started. What is Google Evasive Content Policy? As of before, Google didn't allow the direct manipulation of trademarks in the ad text. The new update for this policy now includes the manipulation of trademarks in domains, subdomains, and logos, which will be penalized if present. What does this mean? The updated policy on getting away with trademarks in the URL has made it harder to do so. If the violation of this policy is ignored, the account will be suspended. What is allowed and not? If you are a reseller, then you can add a logo in your ad copy if the page is primarily dedicated to the products that you sell. It should also include information about the price or rate of the product. That you and not the manufacturer or the price or rate of the product. If you are selling one specific cars, then don't use the other trademarks of other competitors' trademarks. Even if you use their names, your ad might get taken down if they report it. Running ads can be challenging, especially when it comes to following all the rules. Every year, scammers try to steal the profits of honest sellers through illegitimate business practices. To prevent these types of activities, Google has introduced various articles that help prevent them from violating its rules. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.